All right. I've got Hallis out here with me. Today we are going to attempt to take out the bulkhead, the cargo bulkhead. I have my swivel seats for the passenger coming in soon. So I'm going to take this out, getting ready to install that, and see how we do. So this is put in by large pop rivets. I'm going to take a drill, split these rivets so I can pull the device this direction. So I'm going to need a large quantity of rivets all the way around. I believe there's some on the inside as well. So behind the seats on the inside, I believe we'll have to loosen up a few things there with like a T30 or T40 screwdriver. But most everything's going to be right here with the rivets. And we'll see how we go. If you're not familiar with rivets, it's a two-piece item that's pressurized or put together. You usually drill through the opposite side, which will loosen that. It'll break the cap and make it separatable again. So we'll see how this goes.
Yeah, it seems pretty straightforward, right? Well, about 20 minutes into trying to get my first one to pop off, I figured something was wrong. Yeah, don't try this with a cheap $2 Walmart bit. It definitely was struggling. My arms were tired before I even got the first one off the damn wall. Time to rethink.
When all else fails, see, this will focus. Try to get a good drill blade or bit. It was a little painful taking so long, so we went and got a proper drill bit instead of my cheap drill bit. We'll see if it makes a difference. Seems to be making a difference.
Yeah, definitely a world of difference. About 2 minutes per rivet instead of 20 to 25. The difference a $10 cobalt tipped bit makes is astronomical. Yeah, rock and rolling here, start to get it taken down, and then we can start pulling it off the wall.
We got all these out. As I mentioned, there's a few we found on the floor behind the seats. We've decided to take this row to separate the two pieces away. Kind of hard to get to the ones behind the seat. So once I took these away, we could lower this down. Then we can start taking them like this. It's much easier.
Yay! Good work. Yay!
Victory. Always get the right drill bit. Victory.
Victory.
My
is
victory
mine.
dance.
Shake it. Shake that one, baby.
See how easy that is?
Oh my God. That
Actually
was
very easy. Just remember that you got about 12 rivets on the back side in the front of the cab, and go buy a nice drill bit. $10, save yourself 5 hours. 3 hours. Good stuff.